Liquor companies which are currently in a sweet spot. Molasses, key ingredients, has dropped sharply over the last few days. Some distilleries doesn't really get impacted too much because their contribution of IMFL or liquor is about 10 to 12 or 15 odd %. But the chairman and MD, Mr. J.K. Arora, joins us from Bhopal to talk about what could all of this mean for the space, and two, how is business looking at as well, because at the end of Q3, I remember Mr. Arora had mentioned that Q4 could see a quarter of substantial growth for some distilleries individually. Mr. Arora, really good having you. Thank you so much for joining in. I know you're in a silent period, but great having you any which ways. Just a brief word firstly on this drop in molasses and what it means for the liquor companies, because the market seems to believe that there is a sharp uptick in operating margins that could come about as a result of such a move.
Yeah, definitely the prices of molasses has benefited the industry, but you will appreciate the large portion of industry has already shifted themselves onto the grain, the making alcohol out of grain. The very few industries like us who are still on the molasses, they have really been benefited. There is no doubt about it.
So, just to reiterate the point, Mr. Arora, do you believe that the uptick for your division, your liquor division, or for other companies which have got these, by and large on average, could be substantial in Q1 of FY19 because of the drop in molasses?
Yeah, there would be a good amount of benefit in this year, because the prices are almost to the, you can say 30 to 40 rupees a case is the direct benefit to the IMFL manufacturers.
Wow. That's about what, 10-12% of your overall sales, Mr. Arora? IMFL?
No, it is about 5 to 7%, 5% precisely if you say, because in that proportion, then you're leveraging the sales also. You increase the discounts also. You push the promotions also. So the net impact would not be more than 5%.
Okay, Mr. Arora, one final question really. I know you are in a silent period, so I don't think you can talk too much, and I won't ask you to really give me too many numbers before you come out with your results, and we look forward to talk to you on the numbers. But by and large, how has Q4 shaped up for you? Because at the end of Q3, you are very confident of Q4 really bumping up your numbers. Without getting into specific numbers, has Q4 been a good quarter for you? And how is Q1 shaping up as well? If you can just give us a brief color.
Yeah, we have been a very consistent performer till the December ending. Till December end, there has been a 40% growth in this thing, and in the Q4, the growth is much more. And the coming year is going to be the same pattern. In the coming year, we would expect around more than 50% growth in our sales over the last year.
Okay, Mr. Arora, really appreciate. I understand you are in a silent period, so I won't really ask you to give me too many numbers. We would look forward to talk to you when your numbers do come out, and then we'll talk about how FY19 is shaping up for you as well. But thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us for this quick synopsis today.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.